Hello friends, welcome to Archit Stock Business News. Sorry, Archit Traders. And friends, today I am going to tell you about IEX. So friends, how the stock moved from 122 to 300. Do you know? So it's August, October, and December. So this is last year. So in this uh, 3 months. So in this 3 months, is their company posted five-fold results or six-fold results? No, it's called bull run. So no matter how it is, this is called bull run. That why this stock moved. That's it. So why I am telling this one means, so few uh, blocked their money at this level, or maybe at this level. So maybe at this level. So how to get out of it is it one thing, or we have to book loss. So friends, so many times I mentioned, if you have excess money, that means surplus money, that money only goes to investment. That means it will take 5 years, 6 years, 7 years also. Why? Because it is like you are buying a land. So if you buy a land, it will continuously moves up with a small returns as per the area which you selected. Or in future, is there any infrastructure developments goes around the land where you purchased, which decides the rate of returns of that land in future. But in stock market, if you keep that, if you accumulate in bear market, in next bull market, at what level you exit, that defines your return of uh, capital, or something, return on interest, or anything what you call. This is the basic funda. Yes friends, definitely I will tell you one thing, that in a bear market, if you accumulate any stock in a bull market, you are going to get 100, 200, 300%. If the time where the bull market is running, at that time, what is the situations which influence the sector which you taken in a good way, you are going to take more returns. Definitely will get a good returns except other sectors also. But in that situation, if it is a good way, the sector which you picked, which gives more returns compared to other sectors. That means, uh, due to COVID time, after fall while rising, IT given more returns compared to all others. Why? Because it's depend on the situation. That means lockdowns, and IT is the main important thing, which all businesses, all people dependent on. So due to that, IT stocks given more returns. That's it. So that's the major thing. So all stocks, all sectors also given returns, but IT given more returns. So that is the theme which I am explaining you. And whoever invested in fall, or who invested in a sick manner in ITs in the last 5 years, 4 years, they get good returns in 2021 at the end of the year, or 2022 starting year. That's the reason I am doing this video. No problem. So I personally share one of my experience also. uh, Avanti feeds, that's my initial stock market career. So I invested in this stock, but I didn't exit. I don't know how to when to exit. So if you observe here, so stock reaches, so 700 levels right here. So this is 2021. I am telling you, 2020 before, that means 2020 January also stock at these levels, and 2016-17 also stock at these levels, even more also. Why? Because I have my personal experience. So if you see here, I am moving it a little bit. So this is, so 2020 January, so even 700 above. Why? Because I am invested in this stock. I looked at the stock price reached 700 and crosses above to my average, and I am in profit of 10,000 rupees. I invested like 2 lakhs, I think so. When I invested in 2018, this is the period where I invested. 2018, 17. So this is the period. So this is the period where I invested in this Avanti feeds. I seen a profit. I seen profits also, and I invested more money. by looking this rally, I removed, I invested, I removed, I invested, I removed, I invested like this. But one thing I stuck with this year, even falling I added more. So here what I exited with profit, I infused more money when it is falling, in it is falling. So I stuck into this at 2018, and by just I left that. I left the investment where I shared, where I invested. I continuously added while falling until these levels. My average will be at this 700 rupees level, 700 at this level. Further, I didn't added. I didn't have money, and I left the shares. So at one point I lost 50% of my returns, 50 to 70% of my returns, but I just left my shares as it is. That means in demat account. But see, after 2018 passed, 2019 passed, and now at 2020 stock came to this level, and due to some personal works, really, at that time my marriage, so I am unable to look into it. But the day which I observed Avanti feeds at 700 and above, I seen in YouTube that China virus is there, some virus, and some restrictions also going on in China. Same I seen in YouTube also, but we didn't expect, right? So that virus came from that China to India, so we didn't expect. So due to that, the stock fell like anything. But if you exit here, I am the most profitable person. That means this patience, and I didn't invest in this in a SIP manner. If I invest in a SIP manner in these areas, I see a wealth here. Really, if you observe, I added up to this level, and throughout these all months, I left this 2 years. So what happens in next up rally? It came to my level, but I have same shares at where I left, and it shows only 10,000. But if you invest in this bear market also, you are going to see a wealth here. The same thing I am going to tell you. So Avanti is not only one example; it's live experience. That's why I am sharing this with you. But if you see, IEX falls due to multiple reasons. One is Hindustan Power Exchange. This is the reason. This is third player. So in India, there are up to now duopoly. One is IEX, another one is Indian Exchange. So Indian Power Exchange, and another one is Pixel PP. I will show you here itself. So two players. Until now, there are two players in India which does this power trading. So due to that, they have a good monopoly status until now. IEX having now third player also entered. Due to that, they are mentioning like it is like competition. Then it is falling. So second player is this one, PXIL. So previously itself, I told to my friends to hedge IEX with PTC India. So why? Because PTC India having like power trading, this one also having little power trading. Now what happens under this PTC India subsidiary company? So which is this one, Hindustan Power Exchange. If you observe here, so these orders make the final step before exchange start, promoted by BSC Group, PTC India, and ICICI Bank, and Power Exchange. So there are four companies back of this Hindustan Power Exchange. I think ITC India having majority of the stake in this Hindustan Power Exchange. So now what we have to do means, if you are still going to hold IEX share in continuous fall at these crunches, 145, 122, 100, make average at these levels. With respect to this, add PTC India and NTPC. Why? Because PTC India is promoter of Hindustan Power Exchange, and NTPC is the promoter of PTC India. So there are so many promoters for PTC India. Still NTPC is power related stock means, and it having huge power generation and the highest power capacity, generation capacity. Due to that, I am telling to add that one. There are so many companies like Power Grid and all, and NHPC. They are also promoters for PTC India. But why I am telling means, PTC India is in power trading with this subsidiary HP Exchange, and the next one is NTPC is the promoter of PTC India. So it little you will get confusion. But see here, so HPC, like this is one, and if you see here PTC India, just if you type like this, so PTC India. So if you observe here PTC India, owners, C, NTPC Limited, Power Grid Corporation, NHPC, Power Finance Corporation. So due to that, I mentioned like add NTPC, PTC India, and at the levels which I mentioned, IEX 145, 122, 100 average at these levels. Friends, why I am telling means in next bull run you will definitely going to take IEX within in a profitable only. Don't exit in loss. If you keep in surplus amount, if short term players you can exit at any point of time. It's your wish, your call. But long term players, this is my analysis, my past experience I am sharing with you. And one thing I am telling you, friends, there are one hotel, another hotel started, people increasing, another hotel started, people increasing, another hotel started. These four hotels will remain vacant? No. Why? People increasing, so few people allocate here, people allocate here, people allocate here. Due to that only more businesses are going on, so more power trading platforms are coming. That's it. There is nothing wrong in it. So it is like what you called decreasing demand for on these companies in looking future demand. So power electric vehicles are increasing, so power generations are increasing. Due to that, what happens, we need to generate power trading platforms also. So IEX only can look on it? No, we have to make another trading platform. So like in that way government prepared this Hindustan Power Exchange. So this is my view, friends. And so thank you very much. I hope you all understand what I given a clear picture on this IEX. And thank you very much.